Let's answer some of your questions, too. We have some time to do that. Stephanie Link, I'd start with you from Christian, New York. I'm a new investor, he says, have purchased small holdings of Intel, Pfizer, Square, Phillips 66, and AT&T. What do you think about those, Steph, for the long term?
I love the portfolio. It's definitely diversified. I own Intel. It's a recent position post their earnings. I think that this company is very well set up in the networking world, in 5G world, in cloud. They had a very good quarter in data center. The stock trades at about 10 times earnings, and I think you get a good yield as well. So I like that name the best.
All right, Josh Brown, I'm a buy and hold investor, says John, with a long-term horizon. Bought a small position in JPM, that's JPMorgan, late March, just after the lows. I realize banks are facing major headwinds right now, but considering JPM's best-in-breed status, Ken, should I add to these levels?
Well, so if I'm still holding it, then I guess it's a de facto endorsement of you holding it or adding more. If you say your time horizon is long, I think this is one of the better names in the space to be in. And again, I think there's a great total return here, play here between buyback, dividend, and the potential for capital gains if we get curve steepening at some point later this year.
All right, John and Jerry, and Avi, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. For John, with run-in Wayfair, is it still a buy?
It still is, Scott, but it might not be for very much longer. It's made a wonderful move. I would still hold it, Avi, but I would be aggressively writing calls if you own the shares here.
Yana Barton from Jim in Pinehurst, North Carolina. Hope Jim's playing some golf. Are utilities a buy?
I don't think so. They didn't protect you on the way down. They're down 11%, so underperforming the market. An alternative might be healthcare that's trading a 20% discount to the market, gives you a little dividend yield, and has a hybrid defensive and pro-growth exposures.
All right, Josh Brown, Dylan in New Jersey. Is Uber a smart long-term hold, or would you rather hold Lyft for the long term?
I'm not a fan of Lyft. I like Uber's diversification. My thought is if they can make it through the political fights about classification of their employees long enough, autonomous driving will eventually make that a moot argument, and this will be a home run. It's a long time between now and then. I'm willing to be patient. I don't have a huge position here.